As an executive, it is critical that your teams transform big data into quick and comprehensive insights on everything from financial, operational, and sales performance. This includes understanding revenue and profitability, like variances to budget, and being able to see that by region, or expense management, being able to understand where there's a variance by budget or by category, or being able to understand actual dollars versus budget by department. Also, in the operations level, understanding things like inventory performance and where your product categories are meeting the average inventory amounts, or what your average cost of goods sold might be. Additionally, executive sales reports, where you're just trying to get a better understanding of what your pipeline is. And also being able to consume this data so that you can ask questions to get insights. For example, when we look at things like the qualifications starting at $82 million, dropping down to $74 million when it moves to the design stage, how do you explain that? And it's okay to ask that question, but if you can answer it, ask it and answer it all in the same time, you're all the better as an executive. And these are artificial intelligence augmented answers to those questions that are actually going to be much faster than what happened if you had to go to your team to ask the question. You can ask the question yourself. I am Lindsay Petty with Data Analytics Technology Advantage, and I thank you.